Hi, today we are going to learn how to let your users submit posts in their Peepso profiles. The CM User Submitted Posts is a WordPress plugin that allows logged-in users submit posts, review drafts, and upload images via a customizable form. This plugin also integrates with Peepso and allows users to create posts straight in their profiles. Peepso is a free WordPress plugin that allows you to create a social platform similar to Facebook. In this example use case video, we will consider how to configure integration with Peepso to let users create posts in their profiles. This use case video focuses only on the integration of CM User Submitted Posts and Peepso, so we recommend you first to configure base plugins. You can learn more about how to work with the CM User Submitted Posts plugin in our another video. Two main moments that you need to configure there. First, define which user roles are allowed to create and edit posts. Second, enable the possibility of editing posts. You need to create a page that contains the shortcode Add Post Form and then choose this page as editor page. When you installed, activated and configured both plugins, it's time to configure the integration. Navigate to Peepso Configuration, then head to the Blog Posts tab. There you need to enable two options: Author Profiles, for display in the blog section in Peepso profile. CreativeMinds User Submissions Integration, for display in the form for creating posts in Peepso profile. The base integration is complete and the users can access the blog section in their Peepso profiles. They can see their posts under the View tab, and under the Create tab they can create their own posts. To give users the ability to manage their posts, we need to add a user dashboard to the profile. So it's necessary to override the Peepso template and add the shortcode that you can see on the screen. This is an advanced process that requires access to the file directory of your site. For example, you can use the plugin WordPress File Manager for this. And it requires some knowledge of CSS and browser console. You can find out what is the override file in the guide from Peepso. We will consider this process on the example of the file blogposts.php. This file is responsible for displaying elements in the blog section, the View tab. Locate the override file in root, WP content, plugins, Peepso core, templates, blog posts. Copy the file blogposts.php. Then head to root, WP content, themes, choose the folder with your theme, Peepso, blog posts, and paste the file there. Have a note that you might need to create the missing folders in case if you do this for the first time. Next, open the file for editing. Add the shortcode where you need with the help of Do Shortcode. You can see the example on the screen. Let's add it under the filtering bar and above the posts list, and don't forget to save the changes after editing the file. Now let's see the final result. In the section Blog, under the tab Create, the user can submit a post. The process of adding a post is the same as in the base plugin. Under the tab View, the user can manage his posts, edit or delete them, and below the table he can see the list of his posts and preview them. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to integrate CM User Submitted Posts with Peepso. Thanks for watching the video.